Greetings, everyone. Sir Morgan here again. Today, I will be showing you how to construct a triangle when the length of all sides are given. I will draw the base of my triangle to measure 80 millimeters. The base will be called BC. I will now outline my 80 millimeters for my base and label it BC. At some point at the upper section will be point A. From B to point A is 60 millimeters. So I will open my compass to 60 millimeters. Put the compass at point B. So point B is our center. And I will scribe an arc. Now, from C to some point at point A is 50 millimeters. So I will now open my compass to 50 millimeters. Put my compass at C and scribe an arc to intersect this first arc. I will now draw a line from the intersection of the arcs to B and from the intersection of the arcs to C. I will now outline the required triangle and label this point A. Now this is how we construct a triangle when the length of all sides are given. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.